As promised, here is our, we're starting our second video about how to classify the invertebrates, okay? So I've got some pink cards. All the cards have the little organisms that were on the cards that you have on Google Classroom. So the first one is a sponge. A sponge, like we talked earlier, is something that has holes and it filter feeds. So sponge is part of porifera. Our next one is coral. Coral is one of those that belongs in the cnidarian section. It has stinging cells. A snail. The snail walks on its stomach, so that's a gastropod. A slug is also a gastropod. A scorpion is an arachnid. Arachnid, right here. It has, as you can see on here, it has 8 legs. It's an arachnid. A tick. A tick, how many legs does it have? 8. It is also an arachnid. A butterfly has 3 body segments and 6 legs. It is an insect. Belongs here. A starfish has radial symmetry. From the center out to the end of each arm on a starfish is the same length ray. This is radial symmetry. That would be a echinoderm. A sand dollar has radial symmetry. Another echinoderm. Got a little glare there. See if I can fix that. No, not really. There, it's a little bit better. All right, a sea urchin. Sea urchin. Sea urchin is the last one that fits into the echinoderm class. Grasshopper. 6 legs, insect. Head, thorax, abdomen. Spider. 8 legs, arachnid. Shrimp. Shrimp has the hard outer shell on it. That would be a crustacean. A lobster has the hard outer shell. Crustacean. A crab fits into the crustaceans. Squid, okay, has a head, foot. That's a cephalopod. Cephalopod. Octopus. Head, foot. Cephalopod. Nematode. This is one of the worms. Okay. It's a roundworm. Okay. Roundworm. Nematode. Oyster is one of the bivalves. Okay, the bivalves. It's a mollusk, it's a bivalve. Hydra. You can see the little, on here, you can see the little arms that are right here. They have stinging cells. Those are, that's a cnidarian. Those up here. Sea anemone, if you watched Nemo, that's the one that has the stinging cells that the clownfish got stung by, or the angelfish got stung by, and she was talking all goofy. That's anemones have stinging cells. That's another cnidarian. Planarian, that's a flatworm. A flatworm that goes over here with the flatworms. Tapeworm is another flatworm. A clam is a bivalve. A mussel is a bivalve. And the earthworm is the last one. It's a segmented worm, and that goes with the annelids. Okay, so that is the classification of invertebrates that I want you to practice on. Hopefully that you will take the opportunity to print them out and, oops, the lights just went out. Print them out and have some fun with it. Again, I usually have competitions in class with it. Somewhere in the 20s was the fastest with this. There's a few more cards here and a few more words, but if you can do this in under a minute, that's pretty darn good. You'll know your stuff pretty well. Thanks. Have some fun. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.